Welcome to Struggling with Scleral Insertion with Luna Lich.
So, I'm here to try and do this not live, well, on YouTube or wherever the fuck this is going. But yeah, this is a practice that I have to work on. And plus I'm really cross-eyed, so don't make fun of me. I will kill you. Anyways, so my hands are real ashy and I'm not feeling it, but I'm definitely gonna try and put these in right now. So apparently, with some further research that I did, I can do this in one of two methods. One, I can get my plunger with. I'm about to do that right now. Where the fuck is the bag? So I have a bag with my contacts. I love milk makeup, so yeah, it's a little makeup bag. Cheap, and I'm not buying a little bag. So there is a little thing. I don't know. I won't call it a plunger because it looks like a fucking plunger. And the tweezers. Ugh, they're wet. Ugh, gross. Okay, so it's from Solution. They're super clean. I cleaned them already. All right. So with that being said, I'm going to put this shit on said plunger. Let me get it all moist for us. Moist. I dropped it. Bro, what is fucking happening? Okay, wow, I am a loser. Okay, that's how you scream, right? Oh, nah, let's scream it off again. Okay, so I don't know how to do this. Help me. Alright, I'm about to not do this method because I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Lord. Bro, if you see this madness, I am fumbling hard right now. Come on, get at me. Bro, why? Alright. I'm not gonna do this. I'm probably gonna get an eye infection because I don't know what I'm doing. So the other method was to it's gonna look real bad. Don't judge me. So I'm supposed to take this hand, which is my right hand. I'm supposed to take my eyelashes, right? And look all sorts of crazy now. You know what? I can do this with this hand. So I'm gonna do it with my other hand. So I tuck my eyelashes under my fingers, right? And then I take this shit, like so. Take this and I stuff it inside. So don't judge me. They said hold it like 3 fingers and shit. Like, oh, what? Alien fuck. I can't do this. Help me. Alright, I cannot see, bruh. Bruh, if I keep letting go of my eyelashes. Bro, this shit's getting I can't do this. It's been 3 minutes already. I don't know what I'm doing. My hands are clean. Everything is Gucci. I just cannot get this shit in. Bro, I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm about to move this shit. Alright, hopefully this works. Bro. Alright, so I have you guys at a new angle. This feels real weird. I'd be dead. I do feel legitimately there's shit in my eye. It's not as big as I think it is, but it feels real weird.
let's get the other side in. I've been having trouble with the other side. I re-recorded it like 3 different times, and I dropped it on the floor. So we out here trying to like, come on, fly, almost done. It's a net. So I used 3 fingers last time, and I kind of just poked it in there, but like that was luck. And I'm gonna try and do it again. That's why you're at this unflattering angle, and I did put up my hair because it was looking kind of bad, but here we are. Let's see if we can get her done. I'm starting to actually get used to the weird feeling behind my eye. I kind of like it because it's like it soothes an itch that's never been itched before. It's like, I don't know how to explain it, but it feels okay. Maybe that's the sadist in me. I'm a weird fucking person. But anyways, alright, I'm gonna try this again. Because there's no fucking way to do it any other way. Alright. Bro, why? Feels nice and warm. It's weird. Alright. My eyes are clean. My hands are clean, rather. I love this song. Such a good song. Alright, we're in there. Holy macaroni. Bro, I cannot see. I look like a fucking demon. I'm into the whole fucking shit. How exciting. I am excited.
Thanks, guys, for hanging out. Be sure to like and subscribe. Bye.